guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing another flower inspired look. This time around I'm going to be inspired by the Hydrangea, I believe that's how you say it. These flowers right here, and this flower was requested by Elizabeth Davis. I was looking at several pictures and the one I screenshotted, the one that I included, was the one that most stood out to me. But I did notice that a lot of them are like a very pretty like pastel blue or purple. They have pink ones. I believe that picture has a tiny bit of green. So I'm going to base my inspiration off of that photo because I know they vary in color. Alright, so let's get on to the look. You already know that I do already start off with my base. I am baking. All products are always listed down in the description box. I do want to prime my eyelids with white. This one is the NYX eyeshadow base in just white. It's 01. So I'm just taking a concealer brush or a flat brush, picking a little bit of product up, and then just applying that all over my eyelid. I picked up a little bit too much on that, so I'm gonna use this on the brush for both eyes. And I usually use the NYX Lid Lingerie, the white one that you guys have seen over and over again, but just so you guys know, this is also a really nice white base when working with pastel colors or brighter colors, just to make it pop. Like to buff it out. This one, compared to the NYX Lid Lingerie, it is a lot tackier, so if you like the tackier kind of base for your eyeshadows, then this is a better choice for you. I'm going to begin with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to start off with this light pink shade up here. I'm going to work this towards the inner part of my eyelid. And then next I'm going in with the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. And with that same brush, I just dusted it off a little bit, picking up this purple shade right here, Dreamer. And this is going to be placed in the middle of my eyelid, and it is going to overlap that pink quite some bit. And right next to that purple shade is this blue one right here, Into the Blue. And again, that same brush just wiped it off a little bit, and this blue shade is going right into the outermost part of our eye. I'm picking up a little bit more purple with my finger, a little bit more pink, tapping it on. And then here I'm taking a completely clean brush, and I'll use that brush to clean up any harsh lines and to make sure I have that nice blend on the top and bottom of the shadows. And I am using a really light hand for this. I don't want to blend away any of the colors. I just want to make sure it looks not harsh up there. Let's go in with highlight now. I'm going in with my favorite highlight palette, and I am going to be going in with this pink highlight. And let's apply some shine to that inner corner and brow bone. And use that same one for the cheekbones as well. Can't forget Cupid's bow. And I do want to incorporate a little bit of that green that I saw in the picture, so I'm going back with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to be picking up this green right here with an angled brush. And I'm going to apply this all along my lower lash line. more of the pink, so I'm going to be doing a pink lip To start off the lips, I'm going to be first applying the Becca Lip Definer in Toasty, and then right on top of that, using the Bare Minerals Matte Lip in Kissy Face, and right over that for a glossy look, I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. Enjoyed. I think looking back at the picture and looking at the look now, I think this really does encompass the whole feeling and the whole look of the Hydrangea. And again, looking at the different pictures, they do vary in color, but the one that I was inspired by, I wanted to incorporate all of the colors, the pink, the purple, the blue, and the green. And so this is what I came up with. I really hope you guys did enjoy. And please don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!